Hello friends, welcome to Techmaima YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see what is tuple and what are all the functions and methods are available inside a tuple with demo. Okay, so let's get into the video. When you see tuple, what is tuple means? Constant data available in parentheses. So this data remains constant. You cannot change this value at any point of time. Okay, yeah, that is why it is immutable data type, right? So we can't change the value which is available inside a tuple, and it is faster than a list. Why? Because since the values are constant. Okay, let's take an example. If you take a list, here many values are available. Okay, inside a list many values are available, but when it comes to tuple, only like 2 to 4 values are available. So you want to pick any one value from this is quicker than list. Okay, so there is no huge difference like 0.1, 0.2, this much difference like in terms of analyzing and fetching data. That's all. So we can say it is quicker than list to access the data. Okay, and then so what kind of values we will store in tuple? Since it is immutable, we cannot change the value. I have given you an example, like if you take IP address can't be changed. IP address remains the same once it is fixed, right? So this kind of values and information you can store inside a tuple. Okay, so this is called as tuple. So data type may be anything. You can give integer, float, string. Once you have given, it remains the same. So I have given capital T as a variable name, tuple name, and this is the tuple values. Okay, so if you wanted to check whether it's a tuple or list, just type of the list name or variable name, whatever you have given, and it will tell you. So it's a tuple. Okay, so here we can check minimum and maximum. Let's say for an example, you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, only integer values. Okay, so when you type maximum T, it will return the maximum number, but if you have a collection of string as well as integer, it will throw you an error. Okay, not supported between the instance of string and integer. See, I have given an example, t1 equal to 1 to 9. Maximum of t1 is 9. Minimum of t1 is 1. Okay, so this is how you can check minimum and maximum. And when it comes to alphabets, it will give you the same. So what is the maximum and what is the minimum? And if you want, you can check the length as well. So length of t1, 9 values are present, so it says 9. We do slicing in list, such a way you can do slicing here as well. So t1 of 3 to 7. So you wanted to get the value which is present in between 3 to 7, and 7 is the stop index, so last value will not be printed. Okay, because it will consider from 0th index only, right? So 7 value will not be printed. In index 6, what is available, that will be printed, that is 7. Okay, so this is the slicing concept in tuple. And as I mentioned, in list also negative slicing is possible. So when you wanted to check the last two values which is available inside a tuple, then you can give tuple name and then bracket -1. So it will give you the last value which is present inside a list. So if you wanted to check the last value present inside a tuple, then you have to give tuple name and then bracket -1. So it will give you the last value in tuple. If you wanted to check the values available after a particular value, then you have to use this concept. This is common in list and tuple and everything. So this, if you want, you can try. Okay, then the next concept is reverse. So this is also common. Tuple name : -1. No starting index, no stopping index. So when you give -1, it will print the tuple from backward. See, 9 8 7 6. We have, I have shown this many changes, but tuple value remains the same. It won't change. Okay, now we will see about sorted function available in tuple. There is no sort, it is only sorted. So this is a new tuple I have, and I'm giving sorted of A, so it is giving you a sorted list. Okay, so whatever the element which is present inside a tuple is getting sorted, and it is returning your list. So if you wanted to reverse this, then sorted of A comma reverse equal to true, then it will reverse the list. Okay, but if you check the value of A, it remains the same. It won't change, because that is what called tuple. And multiplication, you take a small tuple 1 comma 2 into 2. See, 1 comma 2 1 comma 2. So it doubles the value. Okay, it won't add more, it doubles the value. I have another list into 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Next one is concatenation. So small tuple 1 comma 2 and 3 comma 4. You can add two different tuple and it will return you a new tuple. Okay, this is concatenation and membership testing. So you have seen in data types, right? Is it available or not? Like in, not in. So I have a tuple 1 in A is true because 1 is present. 22 in A is false because it is not there. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this is how we can perform membership testing in tuple. So I already told you indexing is not available in tuple. I have given you a demo. A of 0 equal to hello. I'm trying to replace the 0th index with a string value. So tuple object does not support item assignment. So it says very clearly. Okay. And list inside a tuple. You can have a list inside a tuple. Okay. So this is the tuple. So I'm having a list inside a tuple, which is in 5th index. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can have a list inside a tuple. So A of 5 of 0. A of 5 of 0 is 9. So I wanted to change this as a list. Okay. Then see, the value is getting changed because you have a list inside a tuple. So you can change the list values. You cannot change the tuple values. Okay. And again, I'm changing the first value also. A of 5 of 1 is mutable. See, a tuple is immutable and item assignment is not at all possible. You can use the index, but you cannot assign a value. Here I have given you a demo. A of 0 equal to hello. Okay, I'm trying to replace 0th index with hello, but that is not happening and it is throwing an error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. Okay, so it won't support. Now we will see about list inside a tuple. Okay, you can have a tuple, then you can have a list inside a tuple. Okay, so anyhow, tuple values you cannot change. It is immutable, but you can have a list inside a tuple. If you want, you can change the values of list at any point of time. That is possible. So I have given you a demo. This list is 5th index. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The complete list is considered as one element. So it's in the 5th index. Okay. So A of 5 of 0, I'm changing it to list. A of 5 of 0th index value is 9. Okay. So 9 will be changed as list. See, the rest of the value remains the same. Only 9 got changed to list. And again, I'm changing the first index value also. A of 5 of 1. First index, I'm changing as a string value called mutable. So already 8 is present over there. If you see here, see. So this is possible. You can have a list inside a tuple and you can change the values at any point of time. Okay. So here, how to convert a tuple to a list? It's very simple. So see, this is the tuple what I have. B equal to, I'm assigning a variable called B, list of A. That's all. You have to use list function, list of tuple. Okay. So this is the created list, new list formed out of a tuple. Okay. And again, if you want, you can convert this back as a tuple. So for that, you have to use tuple of B. To create it as a list or to change it as a list, you have to use list of. And if you want to convert this into tuple again, you have to use tuple of. Okay. Okay friends, that's all about tuples. We'll see you in the next video. Here I have given the codes of this. Please subscribe to stay connected. Thank you.